Hi everyone, it's Mariam, your trusted realtor. If you're thinking about buying a home, now might just be the jackpot moment you've been waiting for. With interest rates likely to drop thanks to some big moves by the U.S. Federal Reserve, this could mean more affordable mortgages and bigger return in the long run. Let's dive into why buying now could be your winning ticket in the real estate market. On July 31st, the U.S. Federal Reserve reported that their inflation rate dropped to 2.9%, which is a strong indication they might lower interest rates in September. This is great news for Canadian because the Bank of Canada usually follows what the U.S. Fed does. Why? Because our economies are closely connected. When the US changes its interest rates, it can impact our economy, especially in areas like trade, currency exchange rates, and investment flows. By doing so, the Bank of Canada helps keep the Canadian economy stable and competitive. For us in Canada, our inflation dropped down to 2.5% in July, getting close to the target of 2%. This is a big drop from the high of 8.1% during the middle of the pandemic, which I like to call the COVID inflation. Now, majority of the factor affecting our inflation rate is the interest rate itself. It is anticipated that Bank of Canada will continue with rate cuts in September to support economic growth as inflation moderates. The next policy announcement for Canada is September 4th. So what does all of this mean for first-time home buyers? When rates go down, it becomes cheaper to borrow money. For home buyers, this means that the interest on mortgages could be lower, making monthly payment more affordable. With lower rates, you might be able to qualify for a larger loan or reduce the total amount you pay over the life of the mortgage. Overall, it improves affordability. This could open up more opportunities for first-time buyers who were previously on the fence about purchasing a home, were only approved for lower mortgage, or were previously denied a mortgage. But remember, lower mortgage rates can also increase competition in the housing market as more people will be able to afford to buy. I will be uploading a video titled Why You Should Invest in Real Estate, and in that video I'll explain the Home Price Index, which is a powerful tool that tracks the value of residential properties over time. And it shows how owning real estate can be one of the best long-term investments. In short, lower interest rates make homeownership more accessible and affordable. So if you've been considering buying your first home, this might be a good time to take the next step. It is important to act wisely if you're thinking about buying a home. Now is a great time to explore your options before home prices potentially rise due to increased demand. If you're ready to start your home ownership journey, contact me today. Your dream home is just a call away.